So when I posted yesterday's video, a sharp-eyed commenter named Jeff Smith pointed out that at 5:17 we can see what seems to be a black or dark object moving in between two trees. Here? Anyway, you can find this kind of stuff around. I think it's up there. Like there. Yeah, it must be there. Right? Because that little double thing is to the left of it. That diagonal is over there. And the gap in question is just to the right. I might have been standing in a slightly different spot. Just inches away would bring the gap closer to that double tree. But in any case, the gap can't be to the left of those that I'm looking at today because it's just too thick, and it also can't be to the right of them. I think I was pulled back like this. So sheesh. It must have been one of those. Maybe 140 feet away. It has that coming down, but that's not what we saw yesterday. To me, it looks like part of a body, perhaps the arm, pulling back so that the body can hide behind the tree, just as I begin turning toward it. It takes place in just a split second. If it's Music Man, he's unimaginably quick. In this frame, the object is horizontal across the gap. In this frame, diagonal. It even seems that we can see some shaggy hair hanging down. I'm not saying I know that this is a Sasquatch. Could be some sort of distortion or trick of light and shadow. Though I will say that this thing seems to be darker than other shadows, and that there was not any wind at this time. That night, I placed the recorder here again. And it seems like he might have been hanging around for the first few hours. If so, he was making his presence known in a very low-key manner, not through the creative drum riffs I've come to expect.